Hi there, my name is Ehsan Sakai from the Project Management Program here at the University of Sydney. Today I'm going to share with you a couple of games that were developed for a subject I teach called Project-Based Organizational Behavior, which is a second year undergraduate subject in the Bachelor's Project Management Program. The games were aimed to teach students of the importance of diversity in teams and how diversity can lead to team success. So in order to create this game, a survey was developed and was sent out to all the students in the class, which drew out the demographic, asked certain demographic questions as well as interest questions to better understand the students, their knowledge, their language, their culture, the kind of things they like, whether it's sports, music, and kind of get a better understanding of the diversity of the class. From this data, we designed two games, a diversity trivia and a game called Lingo Quest, which I will explain shortly. So these two games were then delivered in tutorials where students got into groups and basically engaged in these two games. The first game students played was the diversity trivia. In this game, students formed groups and answered trivia questions. The demographic and interest data gathered from the survey responses were used to generate the trivia questions. Since the questions were as diverse as the cohort, the most diverse groups were able to get more questions right. And the winning team was in fact the most diverse team in the class. Through the game, the students were able to witness the power of diversity through experiential learning. The next game students played is called Lingo Quest. In this game, students have to correctly place the items in the right places. So in order to do that, they will have to know what the items are in various different languages, which basically is drawn out from the survey that the class did earlier. Basically, if the team is homogeneous, or everyone is from the same cultural background, language background, they will find it difficult to understand where to put the items. So generally they may guess where the items go, and generally they will get it wrong. If the team, however, is quite diverse, they are more likely to place the items in the right places, resulting in the correct answer. Now at the end, when each group complete their individual puzzles, basically all the groups come together as a whole class to solve a final riddle by placing the puzzles in the right order. So it requires the whole class to really work together and collaborate to find the final riddle. And this is my class basically trying to make this happen. Here are some student feedback from the games played, diversity games that were played. The group activity showed us that diverse groups tend to overall perform better due to a large amount of knowledge in different areas. I thought that it was a great exercise, and I hope that there will be more like it. Playing trivia was lots of fun, and I happened to be in a very diverse group of not only obvious diversities of gender and race, but diversities of personalities and interests. This allowed us to work together very well and allowed all members of our group to contribute and answer questions, resulting in our team winning the game. Knowing your students can be a powerful tool, not only to create games such as the ones mentioned here, but to know how to better facilitate a successful and diverse cohort and draw on the knowledge and experience of your class. Thank you for listening.